They say a man dies twice, once when his heart stops, and once when he can no longer feel like a man. But what if I told you that, for millions of men over 60, the first true warning sign of declining health isn't chest pain or memory loss? It's when your manhood begins to feel weaker, less responsive, almost foreign. That tight, cramp-like pressure you sometimes feel down there, it's not just in your head, it's your blood vessels crying out for help. And if you ignore them, the consequences go far beyond the bedroom. Left untreated, this silent signal can slowly starve your manhood from the inside out. I'm Dr. Mohit Kara. I've spent over 30 years as a men's health physician, helping men naturally restore their vitality, rebuild intimacy, and regain control of their bodies, without drugs or surgery. And today I want to tell you something every man over 60 deserves to hear. Stronger erections, better blood flow, and a more powerful pain-free experience don't begin with a pill. They begin in your refrigerator. You see, most men blame aging. But the truth is, that weakening, that cramping, that fading sensation, it's preventable. And today I'll prove it to you. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 scientifically backed foods that help eliminate penile blood flow cramps, improve circulation, and restore your strength naturally. One of them works so quickly, many men report feeling a difference in just a few days. Before we begin, if you're a man over 60 who wants to reclaim his strength, his energy, and his confidence naturally, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if this message speaks to you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 and tell me how I can better serve your journey. Now let's get to the first food, and it may surprise you. 1. Beets, nature's circulation charger. I used to think beets were just a colorful side dish, but then I started noticing a pattern. My older patients who ate beets regularly, they were reporting firmer erections, more stamina, and less tightness in the groin during arousal. That's not coincidence, that's science. Beets are loaded with natural nitrates. Your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide, a vital compound that helps your blood vessels relax and expand. This expansion is what allows blood to fully enter the erectile tissue. And when blood flows better, everything works better. After 60, your nitric oxide production drops fast. That's when men start feeling weaker erections, slower arousal, and that odd tightness that feels like a cramp. It's not just aging, it's a signal. Blood isn't reaching the tissue like it used to. Beets help reverse that. Whether it's a glass of beet juice in the morning or roasted beets with dinner, you're giving your blood vessels the fuel they need to do their job. It's not magic, it's biology. 2. Watermelon, the natural blood flow booster. Most people think watermelon is just a summer treat. But what if I told you the part most people throw away, the white rind, contains a compound that mimics the effects of prescription ED drugs? It's called citrulline, and it's a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps blood vessels relax so blood can flow freely, especially to the penis. After 60, those vessels stiffen. Arousal can start to feel forced or even uncomfortable. Citrulline helps reduce what I call penile blood flow cramping, that dull, tight feeling. It's your body struggling to circulate blood where it's needed most. One of my patients, age 67, started blending the red and white parts of watermelon into a morning smoothie. Within 2 weeks, he was waking up with stronger morning erections, without that usual tension he used to feel during intimacy. No pills, no side effects, just nature doing what it does best. 3. Pumpkin seeds, the erection mineral mine. If there's one food I wish every man over 60 kept in his pantry, it's pumpkin seeds. They're small, easy to overlook, but they're packed with magnesium, zinc, and arginine. These 3 nutrients are critical for maintaining strong, consistent blood flow and protecting your ability to stay hard. Magnesium relaxes your blood vessels and prevents those spasms that create uncomfortable tightness. Zinc supports testosterone levels and helps with sexual function. Arginine is an amino acid that, like citrulline, boosts nitric oxide and improves blood circulation, especially where it matters most. A handful a day, tossed in a salad, blended in a smoothie, or eaten as a snack, can make a big difference over time. So if you've been noticing a strange tightness, a loss of sensation, or just feel like your confidence isn't what it used to be, listen to your body. Don't wait until it's too late. support your blood flow, feed your circulation, and let your body do what it was designed to do naturally. And this is how we reclaim strength, one bite at a time. They say a man dies twice, once when his heart stops beating, and again when he can no longer feel like a man. But what if I told you that, for millions of men over 60, the first warning sign of declining health isn't chest pain or memory loss? It's when your manhood starts to feel weak, tight, or unresponsive. That strange cramping or pressure you sometimes feel down there. It's not in your head. It's your blood vessels crying out for help. And if you ignore them, the consequences go far beyond the bedroom. I'm Dr. Mohit Kara, medical doctor and men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience helping men rebuild confidence, restore blood flow, and reclaim intimacy naturally. Today I'm going to show you something every man over 60 deserves to know. Because the key to stronger erections, better circulation, and a pain-free, powerful penis doesn't lie in a pill. It's in your refrigerator. Most men blame age, but in reality, it's something far more preventable. And I'm going to prove it. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 scientifically backed foods that help prevent penile blood flow cramping, restore healthy circulation, and help you feel strong again, without medication. One of them works so fast, many of my patients feel a difference before the week is over. Before we begin, if you're a man over 60 who's serious about taking back control of your blood flow, your erections, and your health, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if this video speaks to you, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 and tell me how I can serve you better. Let's dive in. First, beets, the circulation charger. It might surprise you, but this humble root vegetable is one of nature's most powerful tools for male sexual health. Beets naturally boost nitric oxide, the molecule your body depends on for healthy blood flow, especially in the penis. As you age, nitric oxide production drops sharply. Blood vessels begin to stiffen, shrink, and tighten. That's when you start feeling things like sluggish arousal, weak erections, or that strange cramp-like pressure during intimacy. It's not just age, it's poor circulation, and beets help reverse it. They relax and open up the blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow where it's needed most. Just a glass of beet juice in the morning or some roasted beets with dinner can quietly begin repairing years of damage. It's not magic, it's biology. 2. Watermelon, the blood flow booster. Most people think of watermelon as a refreshing treat, but inside the white rind, the part most people throw away, is a compound called citrulline. Citrulline works similarly to erectile dysfunction medications, but without the side effects. It's a natural vasodilator, meaning it opens up your blood vessels, reducing the silent spasms that create that uncomfortable tension in your groin. One of my patients in his late 60s began blending both the red and white parts of watermelon into a morning smoothie. Within 2 weeks, he was waking up with stronger morning wood. And more importantly, that persistent groin pressure was gone. No pills, no procedures, just fruit. 3. Pumpkin seeds, the erection mineral mine. These tiny seeds are packed with the very minerals your penis needs to stay strong, responsive, and pain-free. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels and prevent vascular spasms. Zinc supports healthy testosterone levels, which decline naturally with age. Arginine, an amino acid, boosts nitric oxide production, enhancing blood flow to the erectile tissue. I had a patient, a retired Air Force vet in his 70s, sharp, disciplined, who came to me complaining of strange groin tension during intimacy. Not pain, just constant pressure. I told him to start eating a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds daily. 3 weeks later, he was back in my office, not to complain, but to thank me. The tension was gone, morning erections were back, and he felt like himself again. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, toss them in smoothies, or eat them plain. No fancy prep, just consistency. Why these 3 foods work better together. The circulation trifecta. Eating healthy now and then is good, but when you combine the right foods that target circulation from different angles, you get results that multiply. Beets kickstart nitric oxide production. Watermelon soothes tiny penile arteries. Pumpkin seeds feed your body the minerals it needs to maintain strength and flow. Together, they form a system, a rhythm your body can rely on. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s who thought they were too far gone turn things around in weeks with this simple trio. No prescriptions, no willpower, just smart daily choices. The number one mistake most men make after 60. Too many men look for quick fixes, pills that promise fast results without changing anything else. But here's the truth. Viagra doesn't rebuild your blood vessels. Cialis doesn't restore nitric oxide. No medication fixes a system that's breaking down. I've had countless men sit across from me, disappointed that the pills stopped working, or worse, that the side effects weren't worth it. So I tell them this: you're not broken, you're undernourished, and your body is waiting for you to support it, from the inside out. That's what these foods do. They don't mask the problem. They rebuild the system. Your 7-day action plan. You don't need to overthink this. Here's how to make it simple. Morning, drink 1 small glass of beet juice on an empty stomach. Mid-morning, blend a watermelon smoothie. Include the red and the white rind. Afternoon, eat a small handful of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds. Drink plenty of water. Move your body, even gently. And remind yourself each day, you're not just surviving, you're rebuilding. Your body doesn't need perfection, it needs rhythm. And this gives you just that. Final doctor's message. If you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, hear me clearly: you are not broken, you are not too old, and you have not missed your chance. I've watched men who thought their best years were behind them completely transform, just by choosing to stop accepting decline as their destiny. We've talked about erections and blood flow, but what this is really about is you. Your dignity, your confidence, your connection. Because when your sexual vitality starts to fade, it's not just physical, it affects your identity. It's a quiet kind of grief that no one talks about, but millions feel. You don't have to accept it, you can change this. And it starts with something as simple, as powerful, as what you put on your plate. Your strongest chapter can still be ahead, and I'm here to walk that road with you. Let's get started. But when you feel that quiet tug inside, that moment where something doesn't feel quite right, that's when it's time to act. Not out of fear, but out of respect. For the man you still are, because even now, after all the years, after all the wear, the stress, the quiet disappointments, your body still holds the capacity for renewal. You may have told yourself, maybe this is just how things are now, but it doesn't have to be. Your blood vessels, your strength, your confidence, these aren't gone. They're waiting to be revived. And it starts with one simple choice: to nourish yourself, to move with purpose, and to believe, truly believe, that pleasure, strength, and connection are still yours to claim. So as we reach the final part of this journey, I want to leave you with one last message. Not just about erections, not just about blood flow, but about what it really means to be a man in this next chapter of life. Because if you think this was only about food, you've only scratched the surface. What's underneath is far more powerful. The true beginning. If you're still here, thank you. Not just for watching, but for showing up, for caring enough about yourself to stay present. That alone says something remarkable about the man you are. Today we've covered a lot. How beets can reignite nitric oxide and unlock dormant blood flow. How watermelon, especially the rind, helps soothe those hidden arterial spasms that steal your strength. And how something as humble as pumpkin seeds can quietly rebuild your foundation with the minerals your body has been starving for. But these aren't just foods. They are signals, reminders, that your body still remembers how to function, how to feel. These tools don't just support your erections, they support your identity. I've seen it over and over again. The quiet return of morning wood, a deeper calm in a man's voice, a smile that hadn't shown up in weeks. This is real, and it can happen for you too. This isn't about chasing youth, it's about moving forward, with knowledge, intention, and tools that work. There's no age limit on desire, no expiration date on confidence, no deadline for feeling alive in your own body. No matter how many setbacks you've faced, Today can still be the turning point. So take what you've learned, try the plan, listen to your body, and above all, give yourself permission to feel good again, not just for a night, but for the rest of your life. Because this is not the end of the road. This is where it begins. You still have time, you still have strength, you still have power, waiting to be reclaimed. Go take it back. And if this video helped you, if even one idea sparked something inside, please like, share, and comment below. I read every single one, and your story may inspire another man to start his own journey. And if you'd like to support this channel and help me keep creating powerful content for men over 60, consider making a small donation. Every bit helps, and it means the world to me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing to believe in yourself. And remember, this is just the beginning. You've got this.